Globally, Veolia is the world leader in depollution, decarbonization, and regeneration of resources. Veolia in Uzbekistan is focused on modernization and operation of the Tashkent district heating networks, which consist of more than 1,300 kilometers of network and serves for 1.2 million inhabitants. Together with this, Veolia is focused on improving the energy efficiency. Our ultimate goal in Tashkent is to ensure the hot water and the heating that we provide is safe, sustainable, and reliable for our clients. Uzbekistan's key competitive advantage is the willingness of the government to reform. Many countries, they speak about the public-private partnership, whereas Uzbekistan is really implementing them. Government has created a legal framework which allows for international companies like Veolia to step up and invest with confidence. The very existence of Foreign Investors Council is a proof of the trust and willingness of the government to support the companies, the investors. Uzbekistan is also willing to listen. Whenever companies face some challenges, technical or other challenges, there are legal frameworks to solve the challenges. Due to all these reasons, Veolia has entered into a partnership with the government for 30 years, a timeline that requires deep trust. Our success story in Uzbekistan is linked with the current Tashkent district heating project. This is the first and the biggest project of its kind in our region in the utility sector. After taking over the operations, Veolia has integrated more than 3,000 employees, bringing culture of expertise, of trust, safety, and performance. Since inception of the operations, we continuously train thousands of our employees to bring up their skills. Let me give you exact numbers. Since the start of our operations, we were able to reduce the heat losses from 44% to 31%. This in its turn brings reduction of the consumption of natural gas by 28%, which is equivalent to 400 million cubic meters of gas consumption per year. This also resulted in the reduction of the water consumption by 21%, which is equivalent of 27 million cubic meters of water saved per year. And also, this all impacted in the reduction of CO2 emission by 31%. This is equal to 1 million ton of CO2 emission. It proves that with the right expertise, the legacy system can be turned into a modern and efficient system. Of course, development comes with its hurdles. Today, Veolia operates legacy network in some areas where it gets more than 50 years old. As you cannot change cities' infrastructure in one day, we need patience and strategic investment to improve the situation. Our daily challenge is to balance between need for repair and continuous supply of the heat. Secondly, the challenge is the human capital. With European standards and new technologies that we are implementing, we need new skill set of engineers. Today, this is the gap in these engineers. The talent is there, however, the training gap is also available, and Veolia doing its best to close the gap. However, we don't see these challenges as roadblocks. This is the very reason why Veolia operates in Tashkent. We are honored to bridge the gap and to improve the situation in the city.